Welcome to the Holt, an amazing student accommodation in the heart of Loughborough. Offering a diverse selection of ensuites, this stunning abode features expansive windows overlooking the stunning London skies. The generously sized rooms boast luxurious beds, a sturdy study desk, and ample wardrobe space to accommodate all your belongings. And the well-equipped kitchen features essential appliances such as a cooktop and microwave, making sure you can recreate all your favorite dishes with great ease. Not just that, the Holt also boasts a common area with a pool table where you could sit back and relax with your friends. Located close to Loughborough College and Loughborough University, this residence is always buzzing with the infectious energy of the students. As Tesco Extra and Outwoods Pharmacy are located nearby, it adds to the convenience of staying here. For the days when you do not feel like cooking, you can always enjoy a delicious takeout from Curry Royal or Chien Fu. On weekends, visit places like the Beacon to grab a couple of drinks with friends or explore the rich cultural heritage of Loughborough by visiting Charnwood Museum or Stonebow Bridge, easily by hopping on a bus from the nearest bus stop. Take the first step towards your dream life in Loughborough by booking your stay at the Holt Student Accommodation through amberstudent.com today.